The art of spacing the plants. A gardening essential. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that is not only essential for gardeners but also a great way to expand your English vocabulary: spacing the plants. Understanding this phrase is crucial for anyone interested in gardening, and it's a fantastic example of how English is used in real-life contexts. Let's explore what it means to space the plants, why it's important, and how you can apply this knowledge in your gardening projects or English conversations. Spacing the plants refers to the act of arranging plants in a garden or pot so that there is a specific amount of distance between them. This isn't just about making your garden look neat. It's a critical practice that affects the health and growth of your plants. By ensuring each plant has enough room, you're helping them receive adequate sunlight, air, and nutrients from the soil. It prevents overcrowding, reduces competition for resources, and helps in preventing the spread of diseases. Spacing is crucial for several reasons. Promotes healthy growth. Proper spacing allows plants to grow to their full size and potential without competing for sunlight, water, and nutrients. Disease prevention. Adequate space between plants ensures better air circulation, reducing the risk of fungal diseases and pests. Easier maintenance. Spaced-out plants are easier to water, prune, and harvest, making your gardening more efficient and enjoyable. 1. Read seed packets or plant tags. These often provide specific spacing recommendations. For example, small herbs may need just a few inches, while larger vegetable plants might require several feet. 2. Consider mature size. Think about how big your plants will grow. Ensure there's enough room for them to reach their full size without overcrowding. 3. Use tools for accuracy. Gardeners often use rulers, measuring tapes, or even specially designed spacing tools to place plants precisely. Start small. If you're new to gardening, begin with a few plants and learn how they grow and spread. Observe and adjust. Gardening is a learning process. Observe how your plants respond to the spacing and be ready to adjust in future planting seasons. Seek advice. Don't hesitate to ask more experienced gardeners or seek information from reputable gardening sources. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of spacing the plants and how you can apply this knowledge to your gardening or English learning journey. Whether you're planting a few pots on your balcony or planting a full vegetable garden, remembering to give your plants the space they need will lead to healthier, more bountiful gardens. Happy gardening, and remember, every plant has its place. Make sure you give it the space it deserves.